Hi, my Nadians. I'm here to show you this nice cornbread recipe. I do not know about you all, but let me tell you something. I love my cornbread. So what I have in my bowl here, I have cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Okay, so what I do, I'm going to use one whole egg, milk, and melted butter. Okay, what I did is I just make a well, and I also sift my dry ingredients, and I add all my wet ingredients in, and I'm just going to mix until combined. All right, let me tell you something, guys. I don't know, as I said, I love my cornbread. All right, so I just mix until all combine. And what I do is I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of oil in my pan, and I heat my pan with my oil. All right, and in the meantime, I'm going to reheat my oven to 425 Fahrenheit. All right, and here is my pan that I take out of the oven, and I'm just going to pour my cornbread mix into the pan.
Fully up and active for your device, and what chat boss somebody I represent. Rules. Kitchen and you have one. Let me tell you about rules. Kitchen and vlog. Everything good, missing nothing do bad. We have share, we have the Jamaican flag. You better subscribe to the vibe you share. Let me tell you about rules. Kitchen and vlog. Everything good, missing nothing do.
And look at it, guys. So now I'm going to put it in the oven. All right. Bake it for 20 minutes, guys. 20 minutes. And look at it. Look how lovely my cornbread is. Look there. It came out clean on the toothpick. All right. I'm just going to put it on the cooling rack and let it cool. So heat coming out, guys. Simple and easy as ABC. Non-burn. Look how pretty it is. And now time for my slice. Leave in the comment section what you enjoy your cornbread with. You see over here, like when it's rib fest, guys. Rib fest. I love my ribs and cornbread. Look at the slice, guys. Look at it. I tell you, it tastes so good.
Vlog. You don't know what chat boss somebody I represent. Rules. Kitchen and vlog. Chop. I'ma tell you about rules. Kitchen and vlog. Everything good, me say nothing do bad. We have share, we have the Jamaican flag. Subscribe to the vibe to share. I'ma tell you about rules.